Okay, so there is a lot of stuff I need to get done, but first I'm going to address something that I myself have come to realize. I don't post as much as I want to, and I don't do a lot of the things that I want to do because I want to film them. But I always have excuses like my hair isn't done, I don't have any makeup on, I didn't do my eyebrows, the lighting isn't good, I'm not wearing a good outfit. Just like the house wasn't clean, my family was making too much noise. It was just always all of these excuses to not do the things that I wanted to do. And when I started this channel, I wanted it to be kind of more real, more of a process. So you show me going from this beginner homemaker and becoming the homemaker that I wish to be, because I get so caught up in watching other videos and comparing myself to like all these other homemaking channels that I follow. I end up not going through with what I want to do. Like even with my crafting videos where I don't even show my face. Like if my nails aren't done, I'm like, I don't want to film a video because my nails are busted. But that's just where I'm at right now. And I'm trying to learn to film where I am at. So this is what I look like right now. I just took my braids out. I have a scarf on my head, and it just is what it is. Also, I have lashes on. I'm trying out magnetic lashes. I'm going to do a full review on that because I think I have found something great in these. But I'll do a full review on these. But back to what I was saying. I have a bunch of stuff that I want to do and I want to show you guys. And I'm gonna come as I am. Busted hair, busted outfits and all. And one day, maybe a year from now, maybe a couple months from now, I can look back on these videos and just see how far I have come. And maybe it'll be nice for other people who are just starting out homemakings or who just want to make a change in their lives can see my progression and see how much I've grown and what have you. So I said all that to say I'm gonna go make some sauerkraut. Okay, so I am going to try to start my seed organization. I got this, I'm gonna say in January. It was on sale for $14.99, so I was like, I'll just pick it up. It's that photo case that everybody uses to organize their seeds. I have a lot of seeds in my opinion, but I've seen people who have like crazy seeds collections. And this is my first year collecting seeds, so I expect it just to get bigger and bigger, but I want to start some sort of organization. So I just printed this out on some printer paper. Got my handy, what is this called? It's not masking tape. It's not duct tape. What is this called? Shipping tape. And I'm just going to go ahead and label these boxes. Done, and now I need to start on homeschooling. Okay.
Video recording, guys?
Or video recording you, so I can send this to grandma. Ooh, it's windy.
Okay, the sponge just fell. I won't get it, okay?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so a couple of days I started some sauerkraut, and the leaf I used on top was starting to kind of come up. I didn't want any mold issues, so I got on Amazon and I got these mason top. Let me see if I can focus. Focus. Okay, these mason top pickle pebbles, and they're just weights for fermenting. So fermenting weights, and it just keeps everything submerged up under the liquid, so you don't have mold issues or anything like that. So I'm going to pop that in, and hopefully it'll fix the issue of this cabbage rising. I mean, I guess everything is submerged. When I came across the issue of it lifting, I did put this collapsible funnel on top just to push it down and hold it down until the weights came. But I pulled it off and it is well below the water. I'm still going to put the weight on just for some peace of mind, but I am going to take a spoon and spoon off a little bit of this liquid and those pieces that are at the top, because I'm sure they won't do anything, but I don't want them to possibly cause an issue in the future. I want this to work. Okay, I think that is good. I'm gonna just put it on pretty tight. And I learned this from, I think her name is Bumbleberry Apothecary, something like that. And you pop the seal until it won't pop anymore, and that's good to go. It might take a couple of times for it to seal like that, but yeah, I'm gonna put this back on my shelf, and I guess I'll check in on it in a few weeks and see what we have going. What kind of mouth are you gonna put on there?
I'm putting it a lot because I don't know what bunny's mouth look like. Okay.
Don't forget the stickers on the front of the book.
I know.
I should go get some more of these for the girls. They have bows. Some more eggs, flowers.
Now I'm going for a different person.
Okay.
I'm going for this food. Okay.
Okay. New update on the sauerkraut. The weights I got worked fine, but the lid, because it was metal, every time I went to burp it, it would literally like spill everywhere. And I had an incident where I didn't even burp it yet, and it was overflowing and leaking onto the floor. So I got these. It has a spring and then a lid that allows the air to escape. And hopefully this will be the last thing I have to buy for my fermentation process for a while, until I try this out and see how we like it. And then I kind of want to invest in a fermentation crock. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put this on and we'll see how that does. Okay, it's on there. I think it looks good so far. So yeah, you see the bubbles escaping. It's not building up. It doesn't look dangerous. So we'll see. I'm gonna do the dishes. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out the blog, stepfordliving.com, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!